Hi everyone, I'm glad to be here with you, and in today's Medis world, we are going to discuss about how we can reset the Ubuntu password in few minutes. We all are securing our device with the password in today's time so that no one can easily access your stuff without your permission. So there might be a possibility that we can somehow forget our password and we have to reset the password if we forget it. So we are using some third party tools to reset the password, or we have other methods also. So in today's video we are going to show you how we can reset a password of Ubuntu operating system if you forget the password of root login. So if you forget the user password on your Ubuntu, you don't have to worry about that, or you don't have to reinstall the entire operating system to reset the password. You can simply follow a few steps and you can able to log in with the new password. So before doing that, what we have to do, we have to boot our system, or we have to boot our operating system in recovery mode. Once you power on your system, you have to press shift key continuously on keyboard. So once you keep pressing the shift key, you will enter into the grub menu. So once you enter the grub menu, you will be able to see an option, that advanced option for your Ubuntu. So once you select that advanced option for your Ubuntu, you will be redirecting to our page where you can able to see an option for recovery mode. So once you get the option for the recovery mode, you have to enter into the recovery mode. After pressing enter, you will get some output flashes over there. So in recovery menu, you have to select the root option. In root option, what you will do, you once you get into the root option, you have to you get an option to reset the password, or you get a prompt where you can simply type those commands through which you can reset a password. While you are into the root, it will provide you the read only access, so you can't write anything, or you can not have the permission to change anything over there. So for enter into the write mode, you have to type this command, mount rw hyphen o remount and backslash. So once you type this command, you will get the access, or you will get into the write mode. So once you get into the write mode, to reset the password, you have to first find out the available users on your system. So once you type ls/home, so you will get all the username which are created on on that particular operating system. And now, using the following command, you can reset the password for the selected username. So you have to type this command, passwd, and the username which you want to reset the password. So once you type this command and press enter, you will get a prompt to reset the password. So it will ask you for the new password. It won't ask you for the old password. It will simply ask you for the new password, and you have to retype the same password again to confirm it. Once you're done with that, you will press enter, and it will give you a confirmation for the password change. So once it get done, you have to exit this mode and simply restart the. So once you restart it, you will get into the operating system again, and you can able to log in with the new password which you have configured from here. So I will gonna show you how we are gonna do this. So currently I'm just getting into my window. Once I get into that, I will show you how login with the actual password which is configured right now. So now you can able to see I'm get to the operating system. Now I am typing the actual password which I have, and you can able to see that I am to that particular user which is configured on my OS. So once I'm getting into, you can able to see the left side. I have all those options and the things. Now I'm getting it log out, and I'm just trying to put the wrong password. So if I'm putting the wrong password, you can able to see it will give me an error that invalid password, please try again. So if you forget the password, you are not aware what password you have configured for this, you have to simply restart the operating system on that time. Once you restart, you have to keep pressing the shift button, which I am earlier told you. You have to keep on pressing the shift button. So now you can able to see there is an option for advanced option for Ubuntu. So you have to click on this option. So once you click into this, you can able to see there is an option for recovery mode here. So you have to click on recovery mode. Now you can just able to see some commands which are going on the black screen. So once it get done, you are now into the recovery menu. So in recovery menu, we have to go to that root option where you can able to see the shell prompt. So once we enter into the root, you can able to see now it is asking for control D to continue. So you simply have to press enter to enter into the root menu. Once you reach to the root menu, right now you are only getting the read only access. So we have to we require the right access here. So we have to type this command mount rw hyphen o remount. So once you're done with that, you have to just simply press enter, and now you are into the right mode. So over here you have to type command ls space backslash home. So once you're done, you can able to see there is an user created here with my name Maddie4742. So now you simply have to type PASSWD, then the username which is mentioning here. So once you put the username and press enter, it will ask you for the new password. So you over here you can able to see enter new Unix password. I am just putting a new password and retyping the same password to it. Now you can able to see it is written password updated successfully. So once the password updated here, you simply have to exit from here. So once you exit, you will came to the recovery menu again. So you have to simply resume normal boot. So once you resume the normal boot, get a warning for graphic drivers. So you have to ignore that. You simply have to click OK. So once you're done with that, now you are back into the same page. So here you can put up the password. Right now we have reset the password using root access, and there are simple two commands through which you can easily reset the password of this. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you like the video. I would love to have the questions regarding this. If anyone is facing any problem, you can reach me. Thank you so much for being with me. Have a great day.